Namaste my dear students. Welcome to SRS Heritage School online classes, JW NEET Foundation program. Session 13 of class 8. In previous session we have learned about indicators, natural indicators, universal indicators and litmus paper tests and phenolphthalein indicators, methyl orange indicators, even though we have learned about pH paper. Now, in today's session, let us study about salt. What is meant by salt? A substance formed by the neutralization of an acid with a base is called salt. A substance formed by the neutralization of an acid with a base is called salt. This is also called neutralization reaction. This is also called neutralization reaction. For example, common salt. Common salt is formed by the neutralization of an acid, hydrochloric acid, with a base, sodium hydroxide. Common salt is formed when the hydrochloric acid reacts with sodium hydroxide to form sodium chloride, salt and water. This reaction also known as neutralization reaction. This is a reaction also known as neutralization reaction. Next, one more example. When vinegar reacts with baking soda to form sodium acetate, water and carbon dioxide. This reaction also known as neutralization reaction. Sodium acetate salt is formed by the neutralization reaction. When vinegar reacts with baking soda to form a salt, that salt is sodium acetate. Plus water plus carbon dioxide. That means vinegar formula CH3COOH, acetic acid. Chemical name is acetic acid. Reacts with baking soda. Baking soda formula NaHCO3. Chemical name is sodium bicarbonate. Form CH3COONA, sodium acetate plus water plus CO2. This sodium acetate is called salt. By the neutralization reaction, when vinegar reacts with baking soda to form a salt and water and carbon dioxide. Next, one more example. Copper. Hydrochloric acid. When hydrochloric acid is an acid, reacts with base copper oxide, form copper chloride. Copper chloride is a salt and released water. This reaction also called as neutralization reaction. This reaction also called neutralization reaction. To balance this equation, we have to take two molecules of hydrochloric acid. Two molecules of hydrochloric acid. Next, salts can be acidic or basic or neutral. Salts can be acidic, basic or neutral. Based on the strength of salts, salts can be represented and salts can be represented with three kinds. They are normal salt, acid salt and basic salt. Based on the strength, salts can be classified into three types. They are first one, normal salt. Second one, acid salt. Third one, base salt. Acid salt, base salt, normal salt. First, normal salt. what is meant by normal salt? A salt is formed complete replacement of hydrogen and of an acid with a metal ion of a base. A complete replacement of hydrogen and of an acid with a metal ion by a base. Next, here, this normal salt, it is also called neutral salt. It is also called neutral salts. These salts are formed when strong acid reacts with strong base. This normal salt is formed when strong acid reacts with strong base. Strong acid plus strong base to form normal salt. Now, let us take an example. Strong acid. Which is strong acid? Sulfuric acid, H2SO4. When sulfuric acid reacts with strong base, sodium hydroxide, form sodium sulfate, Na2SO4 plus H2O. To balance this equation, we have to take 2 molecules of sodium hydroxide. Then 2 water molecules we will get. Then strong acid reacts with strong base to form normal salt. Sodium sulfate is a normal salt. So when sulfuric acid reacts with sodium hydroxide, forms sodium sulfate and water. This sodium sulfate is a normal salt. Let us study some common examples of normal salt. First one, sodium sulfate, Na2SO4. Sodium chloride, NaCl. Next, sodium sulfide, formula Na2SO3. Next, potassium chloride, formula KCl. Next, magnesium sulfate, formula MgSO4. See, sodium sulfate formula Na2SO4, sodium chloride formula NaCl, sodium sulfite Na2SO3, potassium chloride KCl, magnesium sulfate formula MgSO4. Next, second one, acid salt. A salt formed by the partial replacement of hydrogen ion of an acid. Its molecule with metal ions. Its molecule with metal ions from a base is called acid salt. A salt formed by the partial replacement of hydrogen ion. Partial replacement of H plus ion by from an acid with a metal ion of a base is called acid salt. So acid salts are formed by a strong acid reacts with a weak base. A strong acid reacts with weak base. These salts are dissolved in water. When these salts are dissolved in water, it furnishes hydrogen ions. And it turns blue litmus paper red. Strong acid reacts with weak base, forms acid salt. For example, sodium hydroxide. Strong acid. Strong acid is HCl. Let us take H2SO4, sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is a strong acid, even though hydrochloric acid also a strong acid, and nitric acid also strong acid. Let us take sulfuric acid. When sulfuric acid reacts with calcium hydroxide is a weak base. Then to form calcium hydrogen sulfide plus water. This calcium hydrogen sulfide is a acid salt. Let us study some common examples of acid salts. First one, sodium bisulfate or sodium hydrogen sulfate, formula NaHSO4. Next, magnesium bisulfate, MgHSO4 twice. Next, calcium bisulfate, CaHSO4 twice. Potassium bisulfate, KHSO4. When the calcium bicarbonate, CaHCO3 twice, also example of acid salt. Magnesium bicarbonate also example of acid salt. Next, base salts. Now, third one, base salts. What are base salts? A salt formed by the partial neutralization of hydroxyl ions, partial neutralization of OH minus ions, or else hydroxyl ion of a base with an acid is called basic salt. A salt formed by the partial neutralization of hydroxyl ion of a base with an acid is called basic salt. This reaction produced when weak acid reacts with strong base. This reaction also produced when weak acid reacts with strong base. Then weak acid reacts with strong base, produce base salts. What you will get? Base salts. For example, even the base salts, when it is dissolved in the water, it gives OH minus ions. It furnishes OH minus ions. And red litmus paper, it turns to blue. And red litmus paper turns to blue. For example, let us take weak base. Weak base example, acetic acid, CH3COOH, reacts with strong base, sodium hydroxide. When weak acid reacts with strong base, form basic salt. That is CH3COONA. Sodium acetate. Sodium acetate is a basic salt and it releases water. That's why also called as neutralization reaction. Next, what are the common examples of basic salts? The common examples of basic salts are common examples of base salts are name, formula. Just now we have learnt sodium acetate, sodium acetate. Formula CH3COONA. Next. Zinc hydroxychloride. Formula ZnOHCl. Next, copper hydroxychloride. Copper hydroxychloride. CuOHCl. Even though sodium carbonate also example of base salts, and also calcium carbonate also example of base salts. Okay, my dear students, so far we have studied about salts, classification of salts. They are normal salts, acid salts and base salts with examples. We shall continue in next session. Thank you. Have a nice day.